Here we are given that line AB is congruent to line CD and line AD is congruent to line CB. You're going to prove that ABC is a parallelogram. Let's start with some given information. We know that line AB is congruent to line CD, and we know that line CB is congruent to line DA. That was just given, so we write that as the first step. Next, we see a line that is being drawn. We know that line CA is congruent to line CA. That is due to the reflexive property. I draw the 3 slashes to indicate that that's a congruent side. After that, we now can say that the triangles are congruent because we are actually given 3 sides. Okay, we are given 2 sides from the given, then we got the third side from the reflexive property. So the triangle CDA is congruent to triangle CBA, and that is through side, side, side. Once we know that the triangles are congruent, their parts are congruent, so we can say that the angle of BAC is congruent to the angle DCA. And we can also say that the angle of DCA is congruent to angle BAC. Okay, and I showed you the marks on the graph to indicate the congruence. Once we know that the opposite sides are congruent, so you by congruent parts, congruent triangles, we can now say that the lines are parallel. Line AB is parallel to line CD, and line CB is parallel to line DA. And that is because if the alternate interior angles are congruent, then the lines are parallel. Therefore, we can say ABCD is a parallelogram, and that is through the definitions of a parallelogram.